This video is sponsored by Nzonpet, and I'm going to be showing you two exciting dog toys and a nail grinder. This is the pet nail grinder. Arrives just like this. Here's the instruction booklet. Here is the actual nail grinder itself. And then here is the standard USB charging cord. This right here is the pet squeak toy. And then this right here is a dog chew toy. This dog nail grinder is really effective and powerful, and the advanced diamond nail grinder provides a more labor-saving and safe experience. It even has 100 minutes of working time with 10,000 RMB powerful motor, and it even has a 2-switch speed, low and high. It also has 2 powerful LED lights that make it really easy for you to see. As you can see them, they are right there. And it has a really quick charge of only 3 hours. This green octopus shaped toy is great for aggressive chewers. It's indestructible and made of super durable rubber, which can stand really strong biting from dogs. And it even has a built-in squeaker. The unique rubber toothbrush design is more helpful than ordinary nylon toys to clean and reduce dental plaque and tartar. It's perfect for medium dogs, up to dogs that are 50 pounds. This is a really fun, durable dog chew toy for aggressive chewers. It's really long lasting, indestructible, and a great flying disc for medium and large dogs. Not only is it great for chewing, but it also helps brush their teeth. I love that it also helps release stress and anxiety and helps them avoid destructive chewing habits, and it squeaks. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you're more than welcome to check out the link below to buy them. There's even a 50% off coupon code down below. Another thank you to Nzonpet for sponsoring this video.